So this is a little bit different. I'm used to unboxing a fresh pair of sneakers or showing you some kicks that are clean. Literally, I'm not used to showing you guys essentially beat up sneakers, but that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video, because a lot of times people hit me up and say, how do you keep your sneakers so fresh? How do you keep your sneakers so clean? And you know, there's not really too much behind that. I don't have some like secret cleaning potion or any shoe cleaner that does the trick on all my sneakers. I essentially just have a huge rotation. I'm always throwing new sneakers into my weekly rotation. I wear them a few times, I put them back in the box. There's obviously a few mainstays, but for the most part, I get random sneakers in the mix and then I put them away for a while. And by doing that, I don't wear a certain sneaker too many times. So today I'm gonna show you my top 5 most worn sneakers. These shoes are pretty much on my feet every single week, and some of these really are not in very great shape. But without further ado, let's get into it. My top 5 most worn sneakers. All right, so we're gonna kick things off with a pair of classic sneakers that I'm ready to retire, and I've certainly got my money's worth with these joints. We've got a pair of navy Puma Suedes. These things are ready to kick the bucket. Like, I'm probably gonna donate these soon. I've had them for like 6 years at least, and these are my go-to barbecue in the summer sneaker. If I know I'm gonna be outside and I'm gonna be playing lawn games, I'm gonna be in some grass, and I can't wear some nice white sneakers or really any shoes that I don't want to get beat up, I go to these. It's a unique color. You can't really buy these right now, I don't think. I haven't seen them retro this color. They call it navy, but this is certainly a bluish tone. You've got the form stripe in a cream color. They have grass stains all over them. It's gonna be a little bit hard to see how dirty these actually are with this light. I'll throw in some B-roll so you guys can see that. But this is my go-to barbecue sneaker when I still want to wear something nice or a classic sneaker, but I don't want to wear any of my gems, you know what I mean? I think I paid $30 for these things, and they've actually held up great. I've been able to clean them, but you know, this last summer I went to a lot of barbecues, and I think that it's time. It's time to bring another pair of classic suedes into the rotation, but these joints have definitely gotten a lot of wear. And if you're a day one YouTube subscriber, you probably remember when I got these at the outlet for the low. I still have them and I still wear them. Okay, so at number 4 is a pair of sneakers that I wear once or twice every single week. And I actually got these not too long ago. They were a gift from Foot Locker. I unboxed them on my Instagram story probably like 3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago. And I've absolutely been obsessed with them. We've got the Kyrie red carpets, and these things are loud, very loud. This is almost like a pinkish red, and I enjoy playing basketball in these. For one, this model is great. It's so fun to play basketball in this sneaker. I feel like I have grip at any point. So even though that these are somewhat new to my sneaker collection, I still wear them once or twice a week when I play basketball. I play in the league every single Monday night, and then throughout the week, I'll usually go and play in a pickup game. I kind of want to get a new pair of Kyrie 4s just to throw into rotation, still playing these. I don't want to be known as the guy that always plays in the red sneakers. Your footwear has to be fresh on and off the court, so I got to get another pair of these Kyries in rotation. If you have any recommendations, let me know. If you played in the Kyrie 4 low, let me know down in the comments, because I've been interested to see how that shoe has been performing. But my basketball kicks are on the top 5 list. So just like my basketball sneakers that I'm playing in once a week, I'm also wearing my skateboarding sneakers once a week as well. So we've got a pair of Vans Skate Highs in this red with white contrast stitching colorway. And I got these a while back. I was wearing them casually, and then I started skating in them. I never really skated in Vans that much because I didn't think that the support was there, but the board feel that this waffle sole offers is great, and I really do like them now. And I'm not like skating nowadays like I used to. I'm not really going hard. I'm not throwing myself down sets. I'm really just kind of chilling, doing some manual tricks on the curb, stuff like that. And these sneakers are perfect for low-key impact. So I've only been skating in these for like a month and a half, so they're not really that destroyed. And I ride regular, so my left shoe is a little bit more beat up than my right shoe is, but they're still in pretty good shape. So hopefully I'll be able to wear these, you know, throughout the rest of the year. It's safe to say that I like red sneakers. On the skateboard, red. On the court, red. Casually, red. I don't know, I just like red kicks. All right, and at number 2, we've got a pair of Jordan 1s. There was no way Jordan 1s weren't gonna be on this list, and these things are not destroyed, and there's a reason for that. So we've got the black toe 1s, and these are on my feet every single week. If I travel, I bring these with me. If I go out to a bar and I wanna wear Jordan 1s, I wear these. If I'm going anywhere and I wanna wear a nice pair of sneakers, but I do think that there's potential that my shoes are gonna get beat up, I wear these. Here's why. Jordan 1s are so easy to clean. Obviously they have an all leather upper and then a sole that is pretty easy to wipe clean. Every time I wear these, literally every single time, I clean them afterwards. I take a little bit of warm water, some soap, some elbow grease, and for the most part, all the dirt comes off of this sneaker. These are for sure my most worn Jordan 1s. They go with so much and they're a classic. These are definitely one of the more comfortable Jordan retros in my opinion. Like I find Jordan 1s more comfortable than like 3s or 4s. Let me know down in the comment section which Jordan retro you guys think is the most comfortable, because most of them really aren't that comfy. They're okay and they don't hurt your feet, but for the most part, they're not like super comfortable or cush. That's definitely one way that Jordan Brand could improve the line, is to add more comfort somehow, maybe a drop-in insert, who knows. But Jordan 1s are definitely one of the more comfortable compared to the retro sneakers, but all day, every day, if you're gonna be on your feet, I'll usually wear something a little bit more comfortable like a runner. But these Jordan 1s are certainly my most worn Jordan 1s and the most fashionable kicks on this list. All right, and last up at number 1, this is not pretty. These things are in terrible shape, but they are so comfortable that I can't resist wearing them. Most of you probably don't even know what these are. I don't even know what these are. We've got a pair of Under Armour sneakers. Shocker, right? No one was really expecting a pair of Under Armours to be my most worn shoes. These got sent to me a while back, and I don't even know what they are. I took them out of the box, I tried them on, I was like, damn, these are actually really comfortable. I don't even remember if I featured them in a video or not. Somehow they found their way onto my feet often. These are on my feet every single week, and they are my #1 beater sneaker. If I'm going somewhere and I need to throw on a pair of beaters, some dogged shoes that I don't care if they get ruined or whatever, I throw these on. Like if I go fishing out in the woods, I wear these. My friends look at me like I'm crazy, like, yo, we're fishing. We're literally next to swamps and we're walking in dirt and you're wearing white sneakers. But these things are so comfortable that if I'm gonna be in a situation like that, like fishing, where I'm gonna be on my feet, I wanna wear something comfy, and these are it, man. These are absolutely it. If I go for a quick run, I'll throw these on feet as well. They're just crazy comfortable. I thought that these were just as comfortable as my Ultra Boost sneakers. So I was wearing them pretty often when they first got sent to me, and I still do. Again, I'm sorry to Under Armour because I forget the name of these and I threw away the box, but it says charged on the outsole. I guess I could have done a little bit of research. So don't sleep on Under Armour if you want some comfy sneakers. I'd imagine that these are pretty affordable. We've got grass stains, dirt stains, every type of stain on these shoes. So certainly some miles have been run, walked, done whatever, and these are my beaters. Let me know down in the comment section what sneakers you wear as beaters. Your most worn sneakers that are beat up, that you still have in your collection, that you throw on when you really can't wear something nice. If you need to wear a pair of shoes that you don't care what happens to them, let me know exactly which pair of shoes that is. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I still post on Snapchat pretty regularly, so if you're not following me on Snapchat, do that up. A bunch of new fall content is on the way. I already recorded a few videos, so keep an eye out for it. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.